Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Fold5. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings and now enter lock screen. Go to screen lock type, and as you can see right here we've got 5 types of screen locks: pin, password, pattern, swipe, none, and 2 biometrics, face and fingerprints. We are going to use each one of them to unlock the phone, and let's start with 2 non-security screen locks, which is none and swipe. Next, let's select pin number, and to create it, enter at least 4 digits. Now, let's select password, and to create it, enter at least 4 characters. In the end, select pattern, and to create it, connect at least 4 dots. Once it's done, we can proceed to biometrics. Firstly, let's select face, and now simply scan your face via front camera. Now my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. In the end, let's select fingerprints, continue, and now scan your fingerprint on the fingerprint sensor located on the right side of the screen. Now tap the fingerprint sensor multiple times, and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. Don't press too hard, because the fingerprint sensor is located on the power button. Tap done, and now you can unlock your phone using the fingerprint. And it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.